In this video, we are going to see how we can record the bad debts against the customer in Zoho. As of 17 January, it says Mr. Walter didn't pay the due amount, thus treated as bad debts. So as you can see that we are unable to recover this 17,800 from this particular customer. And let's review their transactions first. So we have made a sale during the year to Mr. Walter of 2,800. And if we scroll up, this customer also had some opening balance of 15,000. So 15,000 plus 2,800 makes a total to 17,800. Let's see how we can record this bad debt. First of all, what we need to do is we need to go to Invoices and click on this invoice of Walter. So once this invoice is open, you can click on Record a Payment and click on Write Off. Don't worry about the opening balance, we will see it later on. But first of all, let's learn how we can record the bad debt of all the open invoices that is entered during the period. So this invoice was manually entered, it's not an opening balance. We just have to click on Invoices, locate the invoice, click on the invoice, and then we land on to this section, which is this summary. Record payment, click on Write Off. Let's select the write off date of 17th of January. And write off reason, we can just copy this particular reason and paste it right here. And simply hit Write Off. Now the write off is created and we can see it here as well. The total invoice amount was 2,800 and the write off amount is 2,800 as well. So this is all done and you can see that it will adjust it within the invoice. Account receivable is debit and sale is credit. Cost of goods sold is debit and inventory asset is credit. So bad debt is recorded right here against the account receivable, and as you can see, bad debt entry is adjusted within this invoice. Bad debt is debit and account receivable is credit with 2,800 amount. So this is what we can do for the open invoices. Let's see how we can settle the customer opening balance, which is of Walter 15,000. So in this case, we can click on the new transaction, click on the customer payment. And let's say that we have received this amount in full and deposit to should be bad debt. So just write here bad debt. Payment date, I'll mention this as 17th of January. And the reference should be payment mode, should be settlement, but let's keep it as it is. Deposit to is not available. So what we can do is we can receive it in undeposited funds and we settle this balance. And after that, we have to pass a journal entry to transfer this undeposited funds to bad debts. This is the only solution that we can do for the opening balance. Click on save here and just make sure that the customer balance of Walter is 0 now. As we can see, it's 0. And now we can pass an adjusting entry. Click on the plus sign and from the journal, click on journal entry. On the same date on 17th of January, we will enter the note of this. And it's not a cash based journal, so we don't need to enable that. Here we just choose bad debt as debit. In description, I'll just copy and paste this. Amount, we will mention 15,000 because we have already closed 2,800 with some other method. And here we will just select undeposited fund, make this adjustment and 15,000 as credit. Click on save and publish. And now we just need to make sure that in chart of accounts, there should be 0 balance in undeposited funds. So undeposited funds, just click here and it's 0. And under bad debts, the total amount should be 17,800. So just locate the bad debts from chart of accounts and it should be 17,800. So this is the complete treatment on how you can book or record the bad debts both against the open invoices and against the opening balance in Zoho. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.